1,450 and 26 cents.
Heavy.
No charger.
It's in there, probably.
Nope.
No?
There's no charger.
Wow. No,
I think just the cord.
Several of them.
Yeah. Look at this price. 1,450 and 26 cents. There's two kind of taxes. The Illinois local sales tax and Illinois state sales tax. Wow. And speaking of taxes, with my stock, federal took 22% tax. That's it. It says hello.
Hola.
That's all you have for a charger.
Weird.
Oh, that's for headphone. Let's see. Yeah, I don't use this one. I still have mine because this thing, I don't know what kind of charger to put.
Yeah, it looks like the hookup. Maybe if you're going from an Android phone to an Apple, maybe you hook that into the Android to transfer your.
Because I'm also thinking, remember there's a wireless speaker, like earbuds?
Right.
I think this is it. I don't
Well,
know.
the wire doesn't make them wireless.
Yeah, true.
That's my wire for my wireless speakers.
That's it? All set up?
I don't know. I don't think so.
It says hola.
Nope, Spanglish. Gotta get.
You want Chinese?
Los Estados Unidos.
I think that's it.
Quick start.
Quick
Set up manually.
setup. You're not allowed to go back. You have to continue that one.
Should I set up manually or?
Quick. Up to you.
Hmm?
Up to you.
Well, it doesn't do anything when I do quick.
Capture your password.
Mm-hmm. Oops, incorrect. You captured the wrong one.
I'm not gonna capture it. I think iPhone 12. It's like easy setup.
Well, I'll do a last minute backup here, right?
Yeah, true.
Now go to the cloud and download everything.
Or you have to go to like, remember, like erase and then back up.
Yeah, I did the erase already.
Okay. His favorite color, green. Let's capture it there. Let's do the magic in here.
Just have to carry one of these around with you. Enough, my fingertips are burning.
You need blower 2, open that iPhone 10.
Yeah.
When you go to the store, do you check that phone or no?
I didn't go to the store.
Oh, you just
I did
do it online?
Yeah.
So you get the 5G plan, so they are less than 4G LTE plan.
Yeah, my whole plan went down.
Yeah, just like me.
Weird.
I paid like 163 when I have the LTE plan, and now I paid just 129 bucks. So LTE is cheaper than 4G. Oh, LTE, 5G is cheaper than 4G.
It's fading.
Completing backup.
Am I not on Wi-Fi?
You should be connected. Yeah, it's connected. You must have a lot of files haven't saved to iCloud yet.
Do it out.
Getting there. See? Getting clear.
Let's get this out.
Yeah.
Blow it right down. It'll go to overheat if you go too far.
You're just estimating time remaining. Nothing.
I only had a couple videos on there.
Alright, that's it.